Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the gray notification bell so that you never miss any of my wonderful recipes. So today guys, we're making a Chinese crab casserole. This is one of my favorite dishes when I go and have Chinese. Anywhere I have it, I'm looking for this dish. So I'm gonna put the recipe on the side of the screen as I always do. I'm going to also put the link in the description where I got the recipe from. So let's just get on with this because I am so excited. Okay guys, here you have it, the finished product, Chinese crab casserole. I found it to be so delicious and it tasted far better than what I've ever gotten at any buffet. I did omit some of the things in my recipe because of the benefit of my health. However, you guys can do this however you want to do it. You can follow the recipe, you should be fine. Mark is over there tasting as he usually does. He's not as crazy about it as I am, but then again, he's not much of a seafood guy. If you try this video, tag me, let me know what you thought of it. In the meantime, guys, I gotta get out of here. Thank you again so much for watching. Thanks for being here. And I hope you guys have a fabulous week, and I'll see you in the next video.